time to get your pet questions answered today. Dr. Carrie Donohue from Circle Holistic Veterinary Care on Monroe Street is here.
Just give us a call. 270-9933 is the number.
And we have 2 lines open if you'd like to talk to Dr. Carrie. How are you?
I'm great, thank you.
Good to see you. Let's get right to the phones. Folks are waiting to talk to you, and we'll start with Karen in Madison. Hi, Karen. What's your question?
Yes, I actually have 2. I have 2 cats who can no longer have steroids given to them. One cat is constantly sneezing and his breath stinks. And then the other cat had to have all its teeth removed. And he won't eat. He hides all the time. So I think he's sore right back where your jawline meets. So I was thinking CBD oil might help.
That's a wonderful idea, and CBD oil is really nice for cats just because it helps with pain, it helps with inflammation, so it's a really nice, easy, safe, natural thing to try for any pet that you might suspect might be in pain for whatever reason. And CBD oil too is an alternative to a steroid injection or just giving steroids in general, because it does help to kind of moderate the immune system as well. So I think that might be a very good option.
Now, how do you give it to a cat?
CBD oil can be given in a number of different ways. You can give it as a treat, which is probably the easiest way to get a cat to take it, just something that they don't even know that they're getting the actual CBD oil. You can actually give it directly in the mouth as the oil. And I also have a transdermal cream that you can apply to the skin on the inside of the ear flap, and then it just gets absorbed into the system that way. So there are a couple of different alternative ways that you can give it.
All right, very good.
Okay, we have another caller, Ellie from Madison. Hi, Ellie, what's your question?
Yes, I have he's part Chihuahua, part Pomeranian, and I'm wondering if there's a place where I can get, for low-income people, I can get his shots.
In Madison, there are some alternative veterinary clinics that do offer vaccinations and surgeries at a lower cost. One place that comes to mind is called the Spay Me Clinic, and that is located in Madison. There are also some different pet stores in Madison that offer vaccine clinics kind of on the weekends, where you can go into the pet store and have the vaccines done at a lower cost as well. So there are options. You would just need to look into it and maybe check out those places.
All right, that's very good. Let's go to Lorna in Madison. Hi, Lorna, what's your question?
Hi, I have a dog who has seizures, and I'm wondering what you think. Would you continue the vaccinations, and would a hypoallergenic diet help her? And what do you think about phenobarbital for the seizures?
Yeah, and seizures are a complicated issue, and not every single thing works for every pet. So thinking about medication, if the seizures are not able to be controlled with anything else, phenobarbital would be a medication that usually does help to control them. So a hypoallergenic diet, in some cases it certainly can help because it might just cut down on any inflammation in the body and thereby help the seizures that way.
Could also CBD oil help?
I know, exactly, and CBD oil is the top supplement that I recommend for my patients when they do have seizures. So that might be a nice, safe place to start. And you had asked about the vaccines too, and I really do recommend discussing it with your veterinarian and seeing what vaccines are definitely going to be necessary. The rabies vaccine is one that's required by law, but there are other vaccines that might not be necessary at this point that you might hold off on, kind of as you move forward for your pet.
Okay, all right. Our next caller, Sue from Sun Prairie. Hi, Sue, what's your question?
Hi, I have a cat. He's 13 years old and been to the vet recently, so he's in good health. But he is hanging out in our unfinished basement way in the back corner. When we bring him upstairs, he will just run right back down there. So I'm wondering maybe why he's doing that and if it's okay.
Yeah, I know. It's kind of hard to figure out sometimes why cats do different things. I mean, I'm glad to hear that you had him in at the vet and you were able to make sure that he's healthy and rule out any medical conditions. It might just be a behavioral thing. You know, that he feels more comfortable in the basement. Maybe he's trying to get away from something that's stressing him out. Upstairs is a possibility. So I might look on the line of maybe some more behavioral things that you can do to try to help your cat. Maybe try to engage a little bit more upstairs.
Maybe you have a mouse. That happened to us, honestly. And we couldn't figure out why the cat was obsessed with staring at the wall until he caught the prize.
Oh my
So
gosh,
it's just something to think about.
Definitely, yes.
All right, good luck to you. Let's go to Bonnie in Madison. Hi, Bonnie. What's your question?
I have a 15-month-old Sheltie pup who is a wonderful little dog. However, he has been acting out a little bit, and he's very shy, a little bit on the skittish side. And when I say acting out, he doesn't chew anything except he has this obsession with my wicker furniture in my Four Seasons room. And so he's just sort of, and he does it so fast, he's like a sleuth. He just goes and, like when I'm talking on the phone, I guess when I'm distracted is probably when he goes and does his naughtiness. And
they're so smart.
That's the one thing that is bothering me a lot. And the other thing is I was given a Purina, it was a probiotic combination called Calmness Act, I think it is, for just some of his shyness or skittishness.
Okay, I want to get the answer for you because we're running out of time. I'm sorry, I don't mean to interrupt you.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, definitely. That's a great idea to kind of work with the probiotics. There is that specialized probiotic that's available now that has calming properties. So I would continue with that. The other thing that I might say to try, there is something called canine pheromones. And the pheromones kind of make dogs feel like everything is okay and really settle them, can chill them out. So that might be something else to look into. You can get a spray and just kind of spray it around your dog, but that might be something to try.
All right. We're out of time today. Sorry, everybody. We could use so much more time with you, Carrie. It's great to see you, but we'll see you next time.
Okay, sounds good.
Thanks for your calls, everybody. We'll be right back.